should have ant, cat, apple, mat, alligator, and astronaut. We should have 6. Good job, Juliana. You might have dotted because you were saying yes and no pretty good. Do you have 6?
Mm-hmm.
What do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7, but look, that looks cute, right? Do you like your little apple tree? All right, we're going to put it over here on the side for you for later so it'll dry. Will you help me collect those and the paint real quick? All right, we are going to introduce, and you can put all the paint or whatever all in one because that'll just go in the trash in a moment.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a new red word, which is the same as a sight word, okay? So this word is two. Say it with me. Two. There are 3 different ways to spell the word two. We're only working with one way today, but I did want you to know there are 3 different ways to say the word two. This is the kind of two when you're saying you're going to go somewhere, okay? So for me, I might say I am going to the store. Does that make sense? I use the word to. So I want you to think of a sentence. Think to yourself a sentence using the word to. Sentence using the word to. Where might you go? Shamaya, where might you go? Can you use a sentence using the word to? I'm going to the, did you say park? I'm going to the park. Nice sentence, Jemiah. Good job. Alexander, can you think of a sentence using the word to? What do you got?
I'm going to the beach.
I'm going to the beach. Hey, my friends at home, can anybody unmute and say a sentence using the word to? Who wants to use a sentence using the word to? Jordan, is your hand up? What sentence do you have using the word to?
He mute himself.
Hang on, I think she...
He's on mute. No,
Can they not?
That's what I was wondering.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no. This is great.
he's on mute.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
All right, can you use the word to in a sentence?
Oh, ask them to unmute.
Oh, go ahead and unmute if you have a sentence using the word to. Jordan, did you have a sentence using the word to? Where can you go? Tell us. You have to unmute.
Oh, he's unmuted.
Okay, what's your sentence, Jordan?
T-O.
T-O is how you spell to. Can you think of somewhere you might go so you can use to in a sentence? Where might you go?
To the park.
Say it in a complete sentence. Who goes to the park?
Me.
Say I.
Go to the park.
Very good. Nice sentence, Jordan. Thank you for sharing.
Bye, Jordan.
All right. Yes.
I might have to leave. Does it echo too much?
That's
I can
okay.
turn it down.
Yeah, we can turn that down if they want. That's fine. Juliana, do you have a sentence using the word to?
I go to the beach.
I go to the beach. You and Alexander are both going to the beach. That sounds fun. What about you, Sierra?
Go to the park.
I can go to the park. Very good. Anybody else at home that wants to share where they might go using the word to? Mariah, can you think of a sentence using the word to? You can unmute. What's your sentence using the word to? Where can you go? Well, I have a question, Mariah. Where are you not going right now? Say, I don't go to, where am I at? Where am I at? I'm at school, right? I'm at school. So you can say, I don't go to school. Do you see that? Yeah, there you go. We're glad you're with us today, Mariah. All right, so we are going to be practicing writing the word to. So, do they have pencils or crayons?
Yes.
I will pass this out. Oh, nice, nice.
I got one in my book bag.
Would you rather them use pencil?
I'm fine with whatever they have.
Okay.
Attention.
You can use whatever you want, pencils or crayons.
Okay, so when we're writing, if you're at home, if you have a piece of paper, we are writing the word to. And I'm going to show it so you see it. So I'm going to show it kind of close. Do you see that? We're going to write it. And when we write the word to, we say each letter as we write it. So pencils up. Pencils up at home. Let me see you. There we go. I see Jordan. I see Mariah. Good job. Pencils up. Now we're going to write. Say it with me. T. Write it. T. Good job, Jemiah. O. And then I'm going to underline it, and I'm going to say the word to. So underline it and say to.
Two.
I hear you, Mariah. Good job.
Two.
All right, we're going to trace over that word we just wrote. So you're going to trace right over it. Let's do it again. T. Juliana, go ahead and trace it. T. O. 2. Nice job. Underline it and say the word. Underline it and say the word. 2. Good job. Underline it, okay? All right. Now, boys and girls, I want to give you a chance to stand up and move a little bit. So I want you to stand right up next to your chair. Sierra, can you stand on that side so we don't block the camera? You're going to leave your paper. Your paper and pencil's going to stay on your desk. Okay, you're perfect right over here. That's perfect. All right, if you're at home, you can stand up. Go ahead and stand up. There we go. And we're going to air write the word, okay? I'm going to face this way so my letters are going the same way. Whenever we write top to bottom, left to right. Say that with me. Top to bottom, left to right. All right, so let's write the word to. T O, underline it, 2. Write it again. T O 2. If you're at home, I need to see your hands. I see Jordan. Good job. Hands up. T. Good job, Mariah. O 2. Aubrey, let me see your fingers. You should be doing it too. All right. Now we're going to stay standing, and we're going to tap our letters and then say it. Hang on. Oh. What does that tell us?
Nothing.
You're like, now
It's been set like that for about 10 years. We can't fix it.
that's a long bell.
It used to be green, I
That's a long bell.
think.
It just keeps going. Okay, are we ready? Okay.
It was the end of reading years ago, but it's off now.
Gotcha.
9:30.
Gotcha. Okay, so we're going to tap our sounds, okay? We're going to say T-O 2. Tap it. T-O 2. So we actually call this loading and tapping. So we're going to load the word to. We're going to tap the word T-O, and we're going to slide it and say it. To. Load it. 2. Tap it. T-O 2. One more time. Load it. 2. Tap it. T-O 2. You got it. Take a seat. Now I want you to write the word to 3 times. And you're going to write it and you're going to whisper to yourself. T-O. And as you underline it, you're going to say to. Do that 3 times. Whisper it to yourself. Oh, hang on. Hang on. on this side. And you're gonna write it right here 3 times. Remember, we start with the T. T. And say it while you write it. T. No. The O goes right here.
All right, one more for you. 3 times.
Okay, write it 3 times.
Aubrey, did you write your words 3 times?
Hey, Roddy.
Good job.
Aubrey?
All right, if you're at home, you can show your picture up to the screen. Show us what you've written. Oh, I see it. Mariah, good job. I see it. Jordan, nice handwriting. Aubrey, write your word and show me, okay? Kamari, can you write it and show me? Okay, now I want you to turn your paper over, and you're going to write the word to from memory. Write the word to from memory. If you need to whisper it to yourself, you can. Turn it over and write it, Alexander, to yourself. You can hold it up. Let me see. There we go. Perfect. Good job. All right. So our word today is, what is this word? To. And it means to go somewhere oftentimes. Okay? All right. We're going to put that to the side. And we have, we have some more writing. You know what? I can give those same. What do I do? Oh, they're right over there. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a piece of paper. It's another piece of half paper. And we call this dictation. Can you say that word? Dictation. Okay, this time, good job. This time put your lid on your marker, and this time you're going to use your pencil, okay? Because for dictation, we're going to use our pencil. All right, so our first word, oh, I'm forgetting, I'm so sorry. We have to teach this, I always forget.
Thank you.
Okay, this is called a tap mat. And we use a tap mat when we are doing dictation. I'll show the folks at home, this is a tap mat. So you're gonna see there's a green, a yellow, and a red. And what that tells us, green light, just like that tells us the beginning of the sound of a word, the middle of the word, and how the word ends. And you'll notice there's a circle in the middle because we pound at each syllable, okay? So we'll do that together first. The first word is map. Say the word with me. Map. Let's pound it. Map. Everybody get a fist? And you see that circle in the middle? You're going to pound it 1 time. Map. Now we're going to, how does it sound? How does the first sound? Jemiah?
Mat.
It's not mat. It's map.
Oh,
Map.
I was saying Matt.
Gosh, sorry. Map.
Map.
So let's try it. We're going to pound it 1 more time. Map.
Map.
We're going to tap it. And then you're going to write the word map. So you're going to put all those sounds and you're going to write it on your paper. Go ahead and write the word map.
Map.
There's 3 words and 1 sentence. So make sure you have room for 3 words and 1 sentence. And the sentence isn't long.
Map.
Map. Yes, you can.
What's the first sound you do?
What's that first sound? What letter makes the What letter makes the sound?
I'm done.
Is that going to be the right way to turn it?
Write that. So write that. And then what letter are we learning today, Jemiah?
Okay, what's the next sound?
What letter are we learning? That's the middle sound, but what letter are we learning today? We haven't even learned B yet.
What's next?
And what sound do they make? Ah. Write that first. Write this first.
What's next? Say next. Okay, sound next. That's that right here.
And then look at my last sound. That's the third sound. All right. Our next word. Tag. Say it with me. Tag. Pound it. Tag. Tap it. Good. Write it. Good job. Oh, I got like a tickle in my throat.